Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a starter motor on Mercedes-Benz A and B class. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Remove the engine cover and access panels to expose the starter, take clear photos of wiring, and label each connector. Wear gloves and eye protection, and keep fasteners organized in a tray to speed reassembly. Begin with safety and clear work area lighting. Lift the car and secure it on stands, then remove the engine access cover to reach the starter. Disconnect the small ignition lead and the main battery cable, storing bolts in a labeled container. Unthread mounting bolts while supporting the starter to prevent drops, and carefully withdraw the unit, noting any shims or spacers that affect alignment for later reinstallation. With the replacement starter ready, compare connectors and bolt locations to ensure fitment. Position the starter, hand start the mounting bolts, and then tighten them in a crisscross pattern to specified torque values. Reattach the main battery cable and ignition lead exactly as labeled, and spray clean contacts with electrical cleaner if needed. Reinstall access panels and lower the vehicle. Then start the engine to confirm proper operation, and listen for smooth engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.